Nokia is about to launch another blockbuster smartphone in the market. If you too trust Nokia as a phone manufacturer, and are looking for an amazing Nokia smartphone, then this video is for you. This incredible smartphone is set to feature a massive 8500 mAh battery, and a 150 megapixel DSLR level camera. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia R99 Pro 5G. So, if you're planning to buy this phone, make sure you know all its features first. In today's video, we'll cover the full specs, price, and launch date of this smartphone. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia R99 Pro 5G. Display. This Nokia smartphone boasts a stunning 6.95-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Plus, it comes with a 144Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support, for an ultra-smooth and vibrant viewing experience. When it comes to security, you get both a fingerprint sensor, and Face ID for lightning-fast unlocking. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get seriously impressive. The phone features a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a 150 megapixel primary sensor with OIS. The other three cameras include a 44 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and 8 megapixel lens, ensuring stunning shots in any scenario. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera ready to capture your best angles. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Nokia R99 Pro 5G is powered by the monster Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering blazing fast speed and efficiency. And it runs on the latest Android 16 OS, ensuring you get the smoothest and most up-to-date software experience. Battery backup. Nokia has packed this phone with a massive 8500 mAh battery, supported by 125-watt fast charging, meaning you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The Nokia R99 Pro 5G is expected to be priced around $600, making it a powerhouse in the mid-range segment. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, because we'll update you as soon as we get more info.